Hello everyone, welcome to my page. Today we're going to be working with my new Kuretake Gambi set, which is an Art Nouveau set that I just got in the mail yesterday. I'm also going to be working with these Derwent ink blocks since it's Inktober and some Sumi ink. So let's get started. I'm going to warn you, this is not, the results on this are terrible. I hated what I created today, but I wanted to share it with you. Because I think it's important to share the failures along with the successes. So here I am starting out with some pencil marks like I normally do. Just kind of drawing, getting the space activated. Then I'm going to go in with the coral color here of Kuretake and just start laying down some color. I really do like this color, and I'm liking these paints so far. They're opaque for watercolors, but they're really kind of fun to use. So we're going to go in back with this sort of fiery red-orange color. So we're going to go in with this red, and we're just going to paint in some more blocks of color. I'm trying to add energy and light, and it's kind of looking like a hot mess already. Like I said, this is not my favorite piece that I've ever made. So yeah, I don't know what I was thinking here, but so far I don't hate it. And I'm going to go in with this sort of pea greeny color, and this is where I really start to dislike it a whole lot. This was not a good color choice. This was not something that I should have probably picked, but here we are. So I'm going to go in with this blue-green. I'm going to try to put in some lines to try to neutralize those colors. Right now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to save this and if it's going to be something that I can actually enjoy. But it's really hard to paint when you already hate something. Like, it's really hard to keep in it and try to make something pretty or viable. Here I'm going with the black Sumi ink. I've been really liking playing around with these, and if you've been following my YouTube shorts, you know that I've been playing around with the Sumi ink quite a bit. And I guess I just kind of wanted some dark in there. I went in with this palette knife and started scraping back in, and I kind of like what that was doing. I like the marks that it was making. It added definitely some interest to a very lackluster piece. So yeah. And then I decided I'm going to go in with this Inktense pink color to add some bright pops of sort of pink fuchsia. Yeah, that wasn't working for me as well. I didn't let the ink dry all the way, and it was mixing, and it was just ruining it, so I just sort of stopped. Now I'm going in with some white, and I've sped this up a little bit. Added the white, I took off the tape to see if I could maybe find something, and then I started scraping back into this white to kind of see what we got. I ripped them up, and these are the results because I just got sick of working on it, and we're done. There's some good pieces, some good lines in here. I think this last one is my favorite. I like how the scrapes lines worked in there. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Happy art.